Switching from iPhone to Pixel? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats and attachments safely. Way 1. Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Pixel via Social App Transfer Seamless. Social App Transfer moves WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Pixel, including messages and media. It also supports backup, restore, preview, and export without root or jailbreak. Steps to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Pixel with Social App Transfer. Download and install the Social App Transfer software on your computer. Then open the application. On the left sidebar, click on the WhatsApp icon. Connect iPhone and Pixel to your computer via USB. Enable USB debugging and allow device access. Confirm source and target devices, or tap flip to switch. Click Transfer to start. Way 2. Transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Pixel via built-in feature. Start Pixel setup and select Copy Apps and Data. Connect iPhone and Pixel with USB-C to Lightning cable. Trust the connection and select WhatsApp to transfer. Scan the QR code and tap Transfer Chats to Android on iPhone. Install WhatsApp on Pixel. Verify your number and import chats. Way 3. Transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Pixel using email. Open WhatsApp and select a chat. Tap the contact or group name Export Chat. Choose Attach Media or Without Media. Email the chat file and download it on Pixel. Open the file and save needed media.